Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable the main camera additional lenses of 28 and 35 millimeters on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then from the home screen, tap on settings. Now in settings, we go down and tap on camera. Then scroll down and tap on main camera. In here, in the additional lenses section, you can tap on the 28mm if you want to switch it off or turn it on. If you don't want to use the 35mm, you can tap on the toggle button to switch it off. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.